In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit TradingView full screen. If your chart has taken over the entire screen and you can't see the toolbars, tabs, or address bar, don't worry. There are a few quick ways to get back to your normal view. I'll walk you through the best method first, then a handy toggle, and finally what to do if your whole browser, not just TradingView, went full screen. The fastest way is with the escape key. Simply press ESC on your keyboard. This instantly exits TradingView's full screen mode and brings back your panels and controls. If nothing changes, make sure the chart area is active by clicking once anywhere on the chart, then press ESC again. This helps if your last click was on another part of the page or a dialog box. ESC also closes many pop-ups, so if a menu or a settings panel is open, one press may close that first and a second press will exit full screen. If you want a built-in toggle that turns full screen on and off, press Shift plus F. Think of this as your dedicated full screen switch inside TradingView. Press Shift plus F to go full screen and press it again to return. It's perfect if you like jumping in and out of a distraction-free view while analyzing your chart. If it doesn't respond right away, click on the chart to ensure it has focus, then try again. Also, be aware of any custom keyboard settings that might reassign shortcuts, as those can change how this behaves. Now, if the entire browser interface is hidden, no tabs, no address bar, just the page itself, you're likely in your browser's full screen mode. In that case, press F11. This is a browser-level command and will restore your window to normal, revealing your tabs and controls. If F11 seems unresponsive on a laptop, you may need to hold the function key, often labeled FN, along with F11 to send the correct command. Once you're out of the browser's full screen, if TradingView itself is still full screen, use ESC or Shift plus F to exit that as well. To recap the logic, ESC is your quickest exit from TradingView's own full screen. Shift plus F is a reliable toggle when you want to move back and forth. And F11 exits the browser's full screen if that's what you turned on. Click the chart first if a shortcut doesn't seem to work, and use the function key on laptops when needed. With these three methods, you can always get your workspace back in seconds.